Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make potato mochi. You will need 6 pieces of potatoes, 3 tablespoons of potato starch, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil for pan frying. Step 1. Peel potatoes and cut them in half. Step 2. Steam them in a medium saucepan for about 10 minutes or until soft. Step 3. Transfer the potatoes to a large bowl and mash them. Add potato starch and salt and blend to make a dough. Step 4. Grab a piece of dough, roll it, and place it with your palm and form a shape. For a savory twist, you can add cheese as a filling. Step 5. Heat a frying pan over medium heat. Pour oil, place the potato mochi, and pan fry for 2 minutes or until golden brown on each side. I hope you will love this chewy treat. You can also enjoy them with mitarashi glaze or butter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.